Can a keyboard truly transform your daily grind, making every keystroke a joy? We're diving deep into the NIELONGHCY 104-key USB wired gaming keyboard, and let me tell you, it makes a strong case. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is its solid build. This isn't some flimsy plastic toy. It feels substantial, ready for action. The ergonomic design immediately catches your eye, with those sculpted keycaps and a subtle keyboard shelf that promises to cradle your wrists. And after hours of typing and gaming, it really delivers on that promise. That little bit of wrist support makes a surprising difference, keeping fatigue at bay during those marathon sessions. Now let's talk about the star of the show, those blue switches. If you love that classic, tactile and audibly satisfying click, then you are in for a treat. Every press is met with a distinct clack and a noticeable bump, giving you instant feedback. For gamers, this translates to incredibly fast response times, where every command feels precise and immediate. You know exactly when your input has registered. For typists, it's a rhythmic symphony that can actually boost your speed and accuracy, making long documents feel less like a chore and more like a performance. It's a sound that some might find loud, but for many, it's the very essence of a mechanical keyboard. And speaking of performance, the full-key anti-ghosting is a game-changer, especially for intense gaming. No more missed commands when you're mashing multiple keys in a frantic combo. Every single press registers flawlessly. This reliability is something you quickly come to appreciate, whether you're executing complex macros or just typing at lightning speed. The convenience doesn't stop there. NIELONGHCY has thoughtfully included multimedia shortcut keys. Adjusting volume, pausing music, or skipping tracks is just a quick press away, without ever needing to tab out of your game or interrupt your workflow. It's a small detail, but one that significantly enhances the overall user experience, blending productivity with entertainment seamlessly. This keyboard truly feels like it's built to last. Its durable construction suggests it can withstand the rigors of both a busy office environment and intense gaming sessions at home. It's a versatile workhorse, equally at home with a professional churning out reports as it is with a gamer conquering virtual worlds. While it is a wired connection, which some might see as a limitation in a wireless world, it guarantees a stable, lag-free connection, which is paramount for competitive gaming and reliable daily use. So, what's the verdict on the NIELONGHCY mechanical keyboard? If you're seeking a robust, responsive, and genuinely satisfying typing and gaming experience, especially if you appreciate the distinct feedback of blue switches and value ergonomic comfort, this keyboard is an outstanding contender that delivers on its promises.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.